Hey, is your business budgeting for IT? Do you want to know how you can get the most out of your investment? Well, hey, you came to the right place. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Stan's Garage, bringing you everything you need to know for effective business IT management. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing businesses in the SMB space can budget for IT and get the most out of their investment. Managing an IT budget can be a daunting task, especially for a small business. You're all wearing multiple hats and maybe there's no one there who's specifically tasked with these IT duties. Well, anyway, I'm here to help. It is pretty important that you have a clear understanding of your IT spend to ensure that you're getting the most out of that investment. So the first step to budgeting for IT is to identify your business goals and objectives. By doing that, you're going to be able to align your investment with your business strategy. You guys need faster internet, more cloud storage, faster Wi-Fi, more people working remotely. Maybe everyone's working remotely. How do you do that? How do you secure all that? How do you get computers to everybody? There's a lot of challenges and facets that you're going to have to consider. But all these tools that you invest in can streamline your business and improve productivity, and by extension, improve your bottom line. So the next step is to identify these expenses that your businesses are going to incur. Right? They're going to include things like hardware, software, maintenance, support, training, upgrades, and of course, cloud. Can't do anything these days without spending a good amount of time and energy investing in the cloud. And when you figure all these things out, you're going to have to allocate budget and goals and establish those objectives. And then, of course, you're going to have to factor in the cost of IT security. Cybersecurity threats are on the rise, and SMBs are often the primary targets. Investing in cybersecurity tools and training can help prevent cyber attacks and protect your business from costly data breaches. So to get the most out of your IT investment, you might want to consider partnering with a managed IT service provider, an MSP. It's kind of thing our company does. But anyway, an MSP can provide IT support and services for a fixed monthly fee, allowing you to budget for IT expenses more effectively. Plus, an MSP can help you identify the areas where you can cut costs and optimize that IT spend, right? Save you money, make you more efficient, and of course, buy you back that time that you can't get back any other way. So budgeting for IT is critical, especially in the small to medium-sized business space where resources are at a premium. By identifying those goals and objectives and allocating those IT expenses, factoring IT security in, and partnering with a great MSP, you can get the most out of your IT investment and help achieve your business goals. So as always, I would love to get your thoughts on this. How much is IT prioritized in your business? I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're thinking about optimizing your IT infrastructure and potentially going to work with an MSP that cares and responds, well, shoot me a note in the comments or feel free to book a time with me. I've got my Calendly link in the show notes. So thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I look forward to catching you on the next one.